Hello everybody, and this is going to be a series of videos demonstrating how to use jQuery and ASP.NET together, whether you're using Visual Studio 2010 or Visual Studio 2008, or as I'm doing right now, Visual Web Developer 2008 Express Edition. It's all the same process. Um, but if you're using Visual Studio 2010, then whenever you are creating a new web project, you're gonna see a folder for jQuery. It already ships with Visual Studio 2010, but in Visual Web Developer 2008, if we go and create a new website, and let me save it in C. I'm gonna name it jQuery tutorial, right? So and create ASP.NET website, you will see that I have only default.asp and web.config, and that's it. So first of all, introduce myself to you. My name is Abu Bakr Mahmoud, and in this series of video I'm just trying to make it easier for you how to use jQuery inside. I'm gonna try to show you how you can do that. I already have jQuery 1.88, I guess, already downloaded, so give me a time just to bring it. So you see in this folder I have a folder called JS, and I have a folder called CSS, Cascade Style Sheets, and JavaScript. If I go inside here, I have only one very important file called jQuery 1.4.4. Well, really it doesn't matter whether you're using 1.4 or 1.8 if you're just learning. And well, in fact, even the difference is not that much unless the number here is 1. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these two folders, and I'm gonna go here to my project and just paste them. And because I'm using subverging source, so it's gonna give me here this folder. I have to just delete it. Sorry for the voice. And I'm going to go here also and delete this one because I don't want it to be linked to my subversion server. I'm just gonna delete these ones. You don't have to do that if you're downloading a brand new version from jQuery website itself. In the Cascade style sheet as well, I guess I have, no, I don't have anything. Okay, that's cool. Um, Alright, so in the theme I have only one theme called Blitzer, but you can download a lot of themes if you want, and you can use even what is so-called the theme switch role or theme switch roller, and this is gonna be you can use the themes just online from the jQuery website itself. So first of all, I want you, if you're just planning to use jQuery and ASP.NET, to forget about the form that is given by default from Microsoft. And this form, because it's running in the server side, and what you want to do is you want to do a very nice, nifty, elegant Ajax forming. So first of all, I'm going to delete this form. And in the head, I'm gonna just go to the JS. I don't need the minimum, I don't need the validate right now. I'm gonna need the validate later on, so just let us keep it. I'm gonna delete this one because it doesn't belong to the jQuery at all, it's just mine. I'm gonna just drag this one and put it in here. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is to go to the UI and there is something called core, effects core, and drag it as well. And step number 3 is to bring the UI widget. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna create a script here, and I'm gonna give the type to be JavaScript. Okay, inside this script, now for the first time I'm going to use a jQuery language, which is, it start like this. I'm gonna say if the document is ready, then do this. And what is this? This is a function. What does this function contain? It contains only alert that jQuery is ready. So let me save this one, and I'm gonna go to my page, right click, and browse with, let me choose Mozilla Firefox, set as default, and browse it. Let me see what's gonna happen. Very good, jQuery is ready. So now we have all what we need to start developing in jQuery. So let me minimize the browser, and first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just use a very common, famous tags, HTML tags, and I'm gonna turn it into a very beautiful jQuery widgets, and you're gonna see that. For instance, this div, I'm gonna just give it a name. I'm gonna give it a name, accordion, or you can give it whatever. My ACC, like my accordion. And inside this, I'm gonna create h3. Inside the h3, I'm gonna create a link. The href, I'm gonna give it to the hash, so it will not go anywhere. And I'm gonna write here, for instance, home. And after this h3 tag, I'm gonna just create a div, a normal div, and I'm gonna write I am home. So I'm gonna just repeat this like 3 times. The second one, I'm gonna write about us, and I'm gonna write in the div of about us, and the third one, it's gonna be products, and the div of the h3 products is gonna be these are my products. Okay, so we've got a very normal div. If we just go ahead to our browser and see that by refresh, you will not see something super fancy. You will just see F3 and I'm home and about us products, whatever. It's just a normal HTML. So now we want to learn how we can turn this normal HTML into a very fancy and nice jQuery. So I'm going to remove this one, the alert, and I'm going to say, please, if you find something named my ACC, then render it as accordion. And before I do that, I have to go and use the accordion script. It's not here. You see here accordion script, it's not here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the JS and then go to the UI, and inside the UI you're going to find something called accordion, I guess. Yeah, UI dot accordion, that's it here. So I'm going to just drag it and put it here. Delete this empty line, and I'm ready now to render as accordion. So if I go here and I don't see any IntelliSense. Okay, no problem. So what I'm gonna say is, if you find the div that his name is myACC, just render it as accordion. So let us just save this and go to the page and refresh. Still there's nothing. Yes, the mistake that we made is we don't need this minimum, I guess. I'm gonna delete this one. The widget is right, but the core is supposed to be from the UI as well. So I'm gonna go to the core. It's UI.core. That's it here. So let me bring the core, and now let me save. And I have a div which his name is myACC. So if I go to the browser and refresh, still yes, because we forgot also to bring the theme which gives the jQuery widgets its shape, which is here, theme. If you go to Blitzer, I'm gonna choose UI.all. So I'm gonna choose UI.all and bring it also here as a CSS. So it's gonna apply the theme to all the widgets. Let us just save and go here and refresh. Yes, we've got it. You see, we have a very nice accordion, but it's big, don't you think that? Why it's big? Because maybe we're just missing a one cascade style sheet. Let me bring this one, demos. This is the cascade style sheet that is used by the demos website of jQuery itself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna steal this one and put it just under the theme and save. And let us go ahead here and refresh to see that we've got a very nice looking accordion. Okay, it's enough for this video, and in the next video we're gonna just develop this site or this page step by step to know the secrets and all the widgets, or most of the used widgets in jQuery. Thank you very much.